Hi, I'm Kevin Brownsill, Head of Learning and Development here at Intertronics, and I'd like to invite you to host or attend an interactive technology seminar looking at adhesives for medical device manufacturing. Now, we tailor the seminars to include workshop and practical elements and adjust the content to suit your particular needs. Now, for this topic, we'll be looking at things like what applications are ideal for adhesives, how adhesives fit into your design, development and production processes. We'll look at an introduction to the latest technologies that help meet the specific challenges of medical device manufacturing, and also looking at process validation and quality assurance. The session is perfect for designers, specifiers, process and manufacturing engineers, and those involved in quality control and assurance, regulatory affairs and health and safety management. And by attending the seminar, you should come away with a better understanding of the underlying technology to help you in your specification process, and practical application-oriented learning aimed towards your specific design and production challenges. We'd love to host you here at our Technology Centre near Oxford, or we can visit your site if that's more convenient. If you'd like to discuss or arrange a seminar, please get in touch with your sales team here.